8th grade, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Moving in the Plane. Number 1. The 6 frames show a shape's different positions. Describe how the shape moves to get from its position in each frame to the next. From frame 1 to frame 2, the shape moves up vertically. From frame 2 to frame 3, the shape rotates 90 degrees counterclockwise. Moving from frame 3 to frame 4, the shape drops straight down vertically, then moves right horizontally. From frame 4 to frame 5, the shape rotates 90 degrees clockwise. From frame 5 to frame 6, the shape moves horizontally to the left. Number 2. These 5 frames show a shape's different positions. Describe how the shape moves to get from its position in each frame to the next. From frame 1 to frame 2, the shape moves to the right horizontally. From frame 2 to frame 3, the shape rotated 90 degrees clockwise. From frame 3 to frame 4, the shape moved down vertically. From frame 4 to frame 5, the shape rotated 180 degrees. Number 3. Diego started with this shape. Diego moves the shape down, turns it 90 degrees clockwise, then moves the shape to the right. Draw the location of the shape after each move. Here's a look at the location of the shape after each of the 3 moves.